Why did you let me love you? Why did you let me fall? Why should it be when it's plain to see that you can't see me at all? I need your love so badly. I love you oh so madly. I don't stand a ghost of a chance with you. I thought at last I'd found you, but other loves surround me. I don't stand a ghost of a chance with you. If you surrender just for a tender kiss or two, you might discover that I'm a lover.
I think I broke this one.